Good morning, everyone. I'm Balaji, Sivasubramanian, and I lead developer tools at Red Hat. I'm really excited to share what our team has been building on Backstage and how it's helping enterprises transform their developer journey. At Red Hat, we talk to hundreds of enterprise developer teams across finance, automotive, and government, and one thing is consistent. Building software at scale is hard. It's not the coding that slows down people these days, it's the friction. The context switching, the approvals, the outdated docs, the endless search for the right standard or template. Platform engineering is changing that, and the developer portal has become the front door for that experience. This image probably looks familiar because this is what enterprise development feels like today. Great tools everywhere, but nothing connects cleanly. Developers spend hours finding right templates, tracking a ticket, or figuring out which policy applies. That constant context switching kills productivity and it's expensive. Our mission was to bring all of that together into one coherent, compliant, and developer-friendly experience without giving up flexibility. That's what led us to create the Red Hat Developer Hub, a platform that's a turnkey based on Backstage for fast rollout, yet fully customizable for every organization. Turnkey means you can deploy it in hours with enterprise RBAC, audit logging, and curated extensions catalog. Customizable means you can integrate your own CI/CD, policy engines, or approval flows, and dynamically add your own plugins, personalize the homepage, or completely change the look and feel, all without forking the base, while still getting full support from Red Hat. And that model works at scale. One of our largest automotive customers has over 15,000 developers using it today. And another bank, a large global bank, runs it as a single portal for 20,000 engineers. We have been GA since December of 2023. It's almost 2 years now. And in this time, it's matured and scaled rapidly. We believe that Developer Hub isn't just enterprise ready, it's enterprise proven. And throughout this journey, Red Hat being a leading open source company, everything we do is in open source, has continued to invest and support the Backstage community. We have contributed over 20 open source plugins, including features like RBAC, Argo CD, audit services, dynamic plugins, and more integration like ServiceNow, which just got released, all aimed at making the ecosystem stronger for everyone. Over the past 2 years, we have been hardening the foundation, turning the portal into a true platform layer for developer experience. We introduced dynamic plugins management so the teams can add or remove extensions without redeploying. We built the orchestrator, similar to the one that the RBC team showed earlier today, to automate complex production-grade delivery workflows with approvals, parallel execution, and intelligent retries. We added a deep software supply chain integration for signing and attestation so developers can build secure software without the toil. We delivered the one-click developer environments in the cloud through the OpenShift Dev Spaces integration. We also made it possible to deploy anywhere, either any cloud you would choose on-prem or even in air-gapped environments. That flexibility is what enables Developer Hub to scale across the most demanding enterprise environments. With our new release, we are extending the foundation to even further, tackling day zero onboarding, day one productivity, and day end compliance. The template lifecycle management feature that we just released keeps every application linked to its base template. So when a template changes, a standard changes, the developers get notified automatically, and a pull request gets generated. A scorecard plugin surfaces project health, vulnerabilities, stale PRs right inside the portal. RHDH Local actually brings the Developer Hub full portal on your laptop, so you can is ideal for developers to test it out before they push it to production. And we've added localization with French and Italian recently, and personalized persona-based homepages to make onboarding faster and more inclusive. All of this is about giving developers speed and platform teams confidence. And finally, AI is everywhere, right? As you know, it's clear that we need to have AI, and we believe in customization. So we want to build, release a customizable AI assistant, essentially. It's context aware. It understands your environment, your tech docs, your catalog. You can call tools and be able to call from them, including IDEs like Cursor. You can bring your own models. You can change your system prompt if you want, or change the default questions that comes up
It's fully customizable. So a developer can ask which microservices are related to finance and what's their current deployment status. Create a new namespace for this app using the approved template and instantly get a context-aware answer or even trigger a workflow without ever leaving their IDE. We have integration with Cursor or any other IDE tools. The portal and the system work together. The AI assistant understands the request, Developer Hub runs the right template or workflow, and the results come right back to the developer. The portal essentially becomes the cursor for non-coding tasks, helping developers stay in the flow while remaining compliant. Across industry, Red Hat Developer Hub is enabling faster onboarding, smoother workflows, and continuous compliance for tens of thousands of developers. Come see it in action, but try the Red Hat Developer Hub local, which is you can download right now, or visit our booth outside for a demo. The next era of developer productivity is open, intelligent, and already running in production. Thank you.